प्रस्तुत है इन छोटे छोटे वैदिक गुरुकुलम के बटकों का एक योग नृत्य। ये बहुत ही तेजस्वी हैं। अष्टाध्यायी धातु पाठ आदि कंठस्थ करके आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है एक योग नृत्य के लिए आपके करतल ध्वनि के बीच में। जोरदार करतल ध्वनि इन ब्रह्मचारियों के लिए।
Swam त्वदीये वदन सरोजे सदा वसतु। अविनयमपनय विष्णोदमय मनश्शमय विषय मृगतृष्णा भूतदयां विस्तारय तारय संसारसागरतः। दिव्यधुनीमकरन्दे परिमलपरिभोगसच्चिदानन्दे श्रीपतिपदारविन्दे भवभयखेदच्छिदे वन्दे।
समेषां वैदिक गुरुकुलस्य भ्रातॄणां हार्दिकं स्वागतम्। योग नृत्य अति मनोहरः आसीत्। कर्तध्वनिनां तेषाम् उत्साहवर्धनं कुर्वन्तु। And now, Dhriti Bhrataji, a student from Acharya Kulam, is going to present a poem in front of you. And the title of the poem is Param Pujya Swamiji, a great guru. And it's written by Vishwanath Ghosh sir. Please give him a big hand of applause.
Om. Pranam to the divine, my pranam to Param Pujya Swamiji. Pranam to the divine presence of Shraddha Acharya Sri, Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, and all other dignitaries. Today we are celebrating Guru Purnima. This is a day on which we pay tribute and reverence to our Gurus, who are the driving force to lead us from darkness to the enlightenment. On this auspicious occasion, I am going to recite a poem, and the title of my poem is Param Pujya Swamiji, a great Guru. Param Pujya Swamiji, a great Guru who always teaches to be true. Param Pujya Swamiji, a great Guru who always teaches to be true. Under your sacred blessings, Patanjali Yogpith is flourishing its wings. Gurukul education on which you trod, made your life different from common folk, made your life different from common folk. Your life has gained unparalleled entity. Your life has gained unparalleled entity. They taught us how to keep ourselves free from sordid reality. They taught us how to keep ourselves free from sordid reality. We are the followers of a path. We are the followers of a path, and determined to achieve your goal till our last breath. And determined to achieve your goal till our last breath. You are the Lord. You are the Lord who led us from darkness to the light. Yes, you are the Lord who led us from darkness to the light and gave salvation to keep our souls flight. And gave salvation to keep our souls flight. You are always so religious. You are always so religious and keep yourself ready to save man. And keep yourself ready to save man from every situation that is perilous. From every situation that is perilous. Though the way you have walked on may feel others to be full of thorns. But you showed man the healing touch of spiritualism and made us aware of the benefit of Westernism and made us aware of the benefits of Westernism. Fighting hard to restore Vedic culture. Fighting hard to restore Vedic culture in which lies essence of our future. It is you who revolted against black money. It is you who revolted against black money and striving hard to bring it back from Swiss treasury You are not only a guru but a pathfinder of yoga. You are not only a guru but a pathfinder of yoga who propagated a saga to keep us physically, psychologically and intellectually aromatic and remains through our life kinetic You hold the Veda in one hand. You hold the Veda in one hand to devote the ignorant sea of the disciples and make them swim in your wisdom sea to helm the right ship, We the students of Acharya Kulam are well prepared to achieve your goal, are well prepared to swim ashore. Yes, we the students of Acharya Kulam are well prepared to swim ashore and reach the destination set by you. We all express our gratitude. For giving us the correct formula of your attitude. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Bhrataji.
Oh, good evening to all. Today we have all gathered here to celebrate Guru Purnima. On this auspicious day, we pay respects our Gurus who show the light and dispel the ignorance. On this special occasion, I am going to recite a short poem. The poem is dedicated to Param Pujya Swami Ji and Shraddha Acharya Ji. The title of my poem is The Way and the Goal. Here goes my poem. You are my all, O Lord, life of my life, my innermost beings. I have none else in the three worlds to call my own but you. You are my peace, my joy, my hope. You are my peace, my joy, my hope. You are my glory and my wealth. You are all my knowledge and my strength. You are my home, my place of refuge, my dearest friend, my next of kin. You are my present and my future, my heaven and my salvation, my scriptures and commandments, my Guru. You are all these and the spring of my eternal bliss. You are the way, you are the goal. O worshipful one, the tender-hearted mother, the raging father too. You are the creator and the protector and the helpsman who steers my bark across the sea of life. Thank you.
Thank you, Nimita Bhagini ji. Now, I would like to call Acharya Kulam students to deliver a short group speech to mark the day.
My pranam at the lotus feet of Param Pujya Swami Ji and divine presence of Shraddha Acharya Ji, Pujya Guru Ji, Honorable Director Sir, Honorable Principal Sir, and all other dignitaries and my dear friends. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate Guru Purnima. And first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Today, we feel highly privileged to deliver a short group speech on significance of observing Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is an Indian festival that is celebrated as per Hindu moon sign calendar to express our reverence towards our Gurus, our teachers, and our mentors. Guru Purnima falls on full moon day or Purnima of Ashad month. The word Guru has been derived from two parts. Gu, which means darkness, and Ru, which means antidote of darkness. Naturally, the word insists someone who shows us the right path to enlightenment and takes us away from the darkness of ignorance of light, of knowledge.
Guru Purnima is also considered as an especially beneficial day to practice yogic sadhana and meditation. The Guru is equivalent to Tridev, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. And as per Indian culture, only Guru, the spiritual master, is considered as someone who can show the path that leads to one of these gods. This sloka confirms this belief. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Guru Purnima is a day sacred festival to the memory of the great Indian sage Maharshi Vedavyasa. All Hindus are indebted to this great Indian saint because he edited the 4 Vedas, wrote 18 Puranas, Mahabharata and the Srimad Bhagavatam. Vyasa even taught Dattatreya, who is regarded as the Guru of the Gurus. We know that the road to liberation is covered with many thorns, but we have to take the full responsibility to burn our karmas. If we will take one step towards Guru, Guru will take 9 steps towards us.
A true Guru is a transmitting medium, a transporting agent, and a transparent embodiment of divine compassion and grace. A true Guru is the main objective of a disciple in Indian culture. Indian culture has placed Guru who imparts knowledge at par with gods. So, if you worship a Guru, you worship truth, you worship knowledge, and you worship invaluable experiences. On this day, when a disciple wakes up, he wakes up to his fullness. He wakes up to his fullness, and now he is not a river flowing from somewhere to somewhere. Again, he is not a river flowing from somewhere to somewhere, but now he is an ocean. He is a deep ocean moving within itself. As said in our Shastras, Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tat Param Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
There is a shlok that states, Ajnanatimidandhasya Jnananjalashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. But who is a guru? A guru is he who devours the ignorancy of his disciple. And who is a disciple? A disciple is he who swims in the wisdom sea of his guru. Hindus attach paramount importance to spiritual gurus. Gurus are often equated with gods and are even regarded as a link between the individual and the immortal. Just as the moon shines by reflecting the light of the sun and glorifying it, the same way all disciples can dazzle like moon by gaining from their gurus. According to Adi Shankaracharya, the two most important qualifications of a guru are Shrotriya, meaning well versed in scriptures, and Brahmanishtha, means focused on Brahma. The combination of these two qualifications enable a guru to guide his disciple, clear their doubts even without any explanation, infuse conviction and confidence.
On this day, all spiritual aspirants and devotees worship Vyasa in honor of his divine personage, and all disciples perform a puja of their respective spiritual preceptor or Gurudev. It's a good time to begin your spiritual lesson. We also offer our respect to our Guru by instituting an alternate Guru Yantra on this day. Thank you.
The period Chaturmas, 4 months, begins from this day. In the past, wandering spiritual masters and their disciples used to settle down at a place to study and discourse on the Brahma Sutra composed by Vyasa and engage themselves in Vedantic discussions. It is said that Guru Purnima is basically the festivals of seekers, the seekers of divine wisdom, knowledge, speed, peace, and greater prudence. Before I conclude, I like to say that on this auspicious day, we all bow down to Param Pujya Swamiji, Shraddha Acharya Shri, and all our gurus whose words fell into our ears and destroy ignorance in us, like the sun rays falling on the darkness and destroying it. I wish you all happy Guru Purnima once again. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन सभी बच्चों का।